Selecting the right Easy Texting plan. Easy Texting offers a range of affordable, scalable plans to meet your needs. Selecting the right plan is as simple as 1, 2, 3. The first step is to select an edition. There are 3 plans with a range of features. The Value Edition includes everything you need to start texting, including 1 user login, 1 textable phone number, 1 keyword, SMS group texting capabilities, and integrations with popular applications. Essentials is our most popular edition and includes 2 users, 2 textable numbers, and 3 keywords, plus all the features in the Value Edition, along with MMS picture messages, access to the Shutterstock image library and photo editor, list growth tools including QR codes, sign-up forms, and reporting. The Premium Edition is our most comprehensive solution and includes 3 users, 3 textable numbers, and 6 keywords. It also has all features in the Essentials Edition, plus drip campaigns, API access, and a free upgrade to a high-volume textable number. Once you have selected the edition that's right for you, use the toggle to select a monthly or yearly subscription plan. Pro tip: you can save 20% when selecting a prepaid annual plan. The final step is to boost your plan by purchasing extra credits. Credits are a form of currency used to send text messages. A simple SMS message costs 1 credit per recipient to send, whereas an MMS picture message costs 3 credits per receipt. All Easy Texting plans come with 200 plan credits per month or 2,400 per year. If you need more credits, you can buy them a la carte as you need them or add a volume upgrade to your plan at a discounted rate. For an annual plan, upgraded packages range from 6,000 to 120,000 credits per year. Select the number of credits you'd like for your account. Enter your credit card information, and then finally click Update. Congrats! You've now selected the right plan for you with Easy Texting. If you have any questions, please refer to our help docs.